Welcome to the CRM page in Hinai. To begin, search for the patient's MRN in the patient chart, then click the CRM button. The Customer Relationship Management section provides a comprehensive view of key patient details. You can see DFC and DFM information, along with call status indicators showing whether a call was picked, including the date, time, and description. This makes it easier to interact with patients and ensure better communication. To explore the full history, simply click the Load More option. The Diala page shows whether the patient has installed the Diala app. If installed, it displays the install date, last login date, and whether the patient has made appointments or pharmacy purchases. You can also review their self-entered health data, such as blood glucose, blood pressure, BMI, height, and weight, presented with enhanced visualizations in both chart and table formats. In the diet section, you can view Ramadan postings, direct consultation records, and other details with scrollable access to the full dataset. The assessments area includes important cognitive evaluation results like Mini-Cog and MoCA scores. The Pharmacy tab provides the last 5 pharmacy purchases along with a visit summary, offering quick insight into the patient's recent interactions. The TAT tab displays the current test status, clearly indicating which tests have been completed and which are still pending. The Token tab contains detailed service information, including the token issue time, department-wise check-in and check-out times, total process duration, and the number of hours elapsed since morning. Finally, the appointment page allows doctors to quickly view the count of pending appointments from the last 5 days. Thank you for using the CRM page in Hinai.